What are the best effective logging strategies? If you are looking to improve your software debugging skills, understanding effective logging strategies is key. Let's break down what makes logging truly effective and how it can aid in debugging and monitoring. First, you need to define clear logging objectives. Think about what you want to achieve with your logs. Focus on capturing events and metrics that directly support your debugging and performance analysis goals. Avoid logging unnecessary details, as too much data can obscure what really matters and increase your storage costs. Next, consider using structured logging. This means recording log entries in a consistent format, like JavaScript object notation or key equals value pairs. Structured logs organize data into distinct fields, such as timestamps, log levels, messages, and user identifiers. This organization makes logs easier to search, filter, and analyze automatically. It also helps in correlating events across different systems and supports advanced monitoring tools. Categorizing log levels effectively is another important strategy. Assign severity levels to your log entries to indicate their importance. Common log levels include Debug 4, detailed technical information useful during development. Info 4, general operational events that track normal system behavior. Warn 4, potential issues that may not affect functionality immediately but could cause problems later. Error 4, serious problems that affect functionality but do not crash the system. Fatal 4, critical failures that cause the system or application to shut down. Using these levels consistently helps developers and operators quickly identify issues and prioritize their responses. Be careful not to overuse verbose levels like debug in production, as this can create unnecessary noise. Another key point is to exclude sensitive data from your logs. Never log passwords, personal user information, or cryptographic keys. This practice protects against security breaches and complies with privacy regulations. Instead, log identifiers or anonymized data when necessary. Including relevant context and metadata in your logs is essential. Logs should provide enough information to understand what happened and why. Include timestamps, user or session identifiers, request identifiers, and environment details. This context helps in reproducing and diagnosing issues effectively. Maintaining consistency in your logging practices is also important. Use uniform formats, naming conventions, and log levels throughout your application. Regularly review and refine your logging practices to ensure they remain as relevant as your system evolves. Finally, leverage log management and monitoring tools. Tools like Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Splunk can help you collect, index, and visualize your logs. These platforms assist in correlating events across components, detecting anomalies, and speeding up root cause analysis. By applying these strategies, you can create logs that are concise, structured, and informative. This setup allows you to quickly pinpoint bugs, understand system behavior, and verify fixes. Structured logs combined with proper log levels reduce noise and highlight critical issues, making debugging more efficient and less time-consuming. In summary, the best effective logging strategies involve setting clear goals, using structured formats, applying meaningful log levels, protecting sensitive data, providing contextual information, maintaining consistency, and utilizing modern log analysis tools. These steps will help you master software debugging and fix programming bugs effectively.